Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. So in the first step, we need to click here in the search bar, type in services, then from the search results, click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to find out print spooler. So here it is. Right click on it and select restart. This will take some time to complete the process. Once done, we need to right click on it and select properties. Then we need to set startup type as automatic, then click on apply and then OK. Once done, close this window and go to settings, then just scroll down and search for troubleshoot. So click here to open it. Again, click on other troubleshooters, and from printer we need to click on run. So it will try to detect the problems. So if you get the problem and resolve it, so close this window and go to search bar, type in device manager, and from print queues we need to expand this, and if you are connected with your printers, you will get this name here. Then simply right click on it, select properties, go to drivers tab and simply update the drivers. Once it done, so restart your system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys, you're good to go.